where we're gonna sit, guys, because there's nowhere right now. Oh, because everything's a mess. So we're gonna talk about why we went from having a roadtrek camper van, conversion van, into an ambulance is because our ambulance is a 4x4. I think he's gonna be coming. So, where was I? Okay, so we were thinking, you know, after we go hiking or we have a long day camping or whatever we were doing, we want to go to bed. We didn't want to take the seats down and take the table down and slide it in and move the cushions. So in this ambulance, we're going to keep the bed, a bed area, and then we're going to have storage underneath the bed, which will be nice because we could have dedicated storage. So where was I? I'm so excited to see how it turns out. So if you guys can like the video and subscribe so you can follow along with our journey. I've got probably 2 videos prior to this where we started the demolition to get to this point where we are right now. And today we're going to do more of the same, more demolition. But we have started to look at some materials and some themes for the inside. If you guys have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. I would love to read them. Have a great day. So here are the results of our demolition. Everything that we've pulled out so far of our ambulance. You can see. So we started looking and it looked like there might be some water damage, and sure enough, when we pulled this off, we saw that there's a spot. There's probably a small leak somewhere that we're gonna get up there today and try to figure out. So we tore everything down, but it's cool because we're gonna put new stuff in, so that's exciting. That you can see everything that we've taken out. All right, so for those of you who are asking, we have a 1981 Chevy K30 4x4. It's got a big block 454. All right, so I'll let you guys take a look on the inside. Looks like we have 14,000 miles, and it runs really good. All right, inside, he's already removed the dash part there. It was a beautiful brown color. And then the control panel. So this here turns on and off the battery. We've got 2 batteries, so we can turn it totally off, or we can turn on 1 battery, or we can turn on both. So that's pretty cool. We got it all out. We did it. How do you feel?